everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this wall hanging bunny basket. As we are making use of empty milk bottle, so first we have to prepare a bottle. We will cut a bottle into half because a complete design depends upon the size of the bottle, bottom, length, width, height. So first we will prepare the bottle the same way I am preparing. Okay, just cover those edges with the tape because those are quite sharp. Now once we are done with a basket, now we will start with the work. So starting with the slip knot, now we will make chain crochet stitches. So chain crochet stitches we will make as long as the length of the bottom of the bottle you are using. Okay, so make see these long chain crochet. Number can vary. I'm using this, so whatever bottle you are using, it will be as per it. Then just skip the stitch which is next to loop on the needle, and from next stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. This we are going to do till the end of the stitches, till the last stitch. Now here I am done with the last stitch. Okay, now I'll make a chain crochet stitch and I'll turn my crochet work. Okay, now onwards we will start every single row with the first stitch itself. So we will make one single crochet stitch in every single stitch. Okay, and the number of rows depend on width of the bottom, okay, of the bottle we are using. So it should cover the down part completely. So you go on making rows till you cover that bottom part. See, I'm done with the down part. See, it covers my bottle's bottom part completely. Okay, now we will change the yarn. It depends on you. You want to continue with the same yarn, you can continue, or else if you want to change the yarn, keep two loops on your needle, pull your new yarn from both the loops at once and make a chain crochet stitch. Now for only this row, only this single round, we will make one single crochet stitch in all four sides. In each single stitch we will make one single crochet stitch for all four sides. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, I'm done making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch, and now I'll join first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we will make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch all around the four sides, and we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, so these we are going to make rounds, go on making rounds till you cover up your complete bottle, your complete basket. Okay, that box. Okay, so just go on making rounds till you cover up complete box or basket. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Any of you want to refer a tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You can refer the video. It is with written instructions. Slow demonstration is given. It is quite easy to understand. See, I'm done with the basket part. I have complete. See, it is covering my complete box, my basket. Okay. Now we are going to make ear, eyes, nose of bunny. Okay, now we will make ears. For making ears, start with the pink color because inside it will be pink, outside it will be white. So make 15 chain crochet stitches. After that In first stitch, make a half double crochet stitch, and then rest all the stitches make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'll just complete this. Now done with the last stitch, we will just make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. Now we will add white color yarn. See, I'll make a chain crochet stitch and turn my work. To add white color yarn, we will need one more loop on a needle. So just keep two loops on the needle, pull your white yarn from both loops and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, now in each single stitch we will go on making one double crochet stitch. Sorry, in each single stitch we will make one double crochet stitch till top. Here I am done making one side double crochet stitches. Okay, now the top one half double crochet stitch we made, in that one single stitch we will make one double crochet stitch, then make a chain stitch, then one triple crochet or treble crochet stitch, then make a chain stitch and again a double crochet stitch. Okay, so in that one half double crochet stitch itself we are going to make one double crochet stitch, one chain stitch, one triple crochet stitch, then again chain crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we get that pointed ears. Now after that again it will be one double crochet stitch in each single stitch till end, and our ear is complete. See, this is how a bunny ear look like. Now we will stitch this whole bunny ear on a basket. Just stitch them bit tilted, because instead of straight, bit tilted, it will look good. Following same pattern, make two ears, stitch them on two part. Okay, just try to stitch them tilted. Okay, and now after that we will make bunny eyes. Okay, this type of eyes we will make. Now starting with the middle part, black part, make 3 chain crochet stitches, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now you'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So like we get a very small tiny bit circle gap hole in between. See, this is this small gap we get in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. Okay, so now each time we will pass a needle from inside that circle and make stitches. So now we will make 6 single crochet stitches. Okay, each time we will insert a needle in that gap, in that hole, grab the yarn, pull through and make a single crochet stitch. So we will make similarly 6 single crochet stitches and 6 double crochet stitches. Okay, for double crochet stitches we will first we are done with the single crochet stitches. Okay, now there goes a last stitch. Okay, now we will make double crochet stitches. For double crochet stitches we will yarn over, insert a needle from that gap, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. So similarly in that similar pattern we are going to make 6 double crochet stitches, and when we are done with 6 double crochet stitches we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this and show you. Here I join my first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So this black part, middle part, inside part is complete. Okay, see it's a bit oval. just pull that free end of the yarn, so the gap in between is completely packed and closed. Okay, now we will make that middle ring. For that we will make 9 chain crochet stitches, and we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. See, after 9 chain crochet stitches, I'm joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and I'll make a chain crochet stitch. Now we will make stitches around this chain. So we will make first 6 chain crochet stitches, and after that 12 double crochet stitches. We are just making stitches around that chain. 6 single crochet stitches and 12 double crochet stitches, and again we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now for last round what we will do, we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, only we will use backside thread of every stitch, and we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around, and then at last again join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So our middle part is complete. See, this is how it looks. Now we will stitch black part on this middle ring. This is how we will stitch black part on it. Okay, now after this we have to go for a white part. Now for that we will make 12 chain crochet stitches, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. After joining first and last stitch with the slip stitch, we will make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, now we will again make stitches around this chain. So we will make 6 half double crochet stitches. Okay, 6 half double crochet stitches and 24 double crochet stitches. 6 half double crochet stitches and 24 double crochet stitches around that white chain, and we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this. After completing, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now again we are going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch using that back thread all around the white part. Okay, now once we are done with the last round also, now we will stitch previous two parts on a white part, so like our complete eye is complete. Okay, and then we will stitch this whole eye on a basket. You can make those small square, or just make one or two stitches with the white color on the black, so it gives a good look to eyes. Now we will make nose. For making nose, just make 5 chain crochet stitches. Then starting from first stitch itself, make 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. When you are done with the last stitch, just make a chain crochet stitch and turn your work. Okay, now in first stitch we will make 1 single crochet stitch. in first stitch itself, and we will skip next stitch. Then in next stitch we will make again one single crochet stitch, skip next stitch. It's like we have to skip every alternate stitch, and in rest of the stitches we have to make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, now we are done with the last stitch. Make a chain crochet, turn your work, and make one double crochet in each single stitch, and your nose part is done. Then just you have to stitch this nose on your basket. Here we are done with the nose part. Now we will stitch this nose on bunny basket. Okay, and just down make a black line and two curves on both sides, for it gives the shape of the mouth. Okay, now for hanging this basket we will make a cord. The corner which is opposite to ear, so we will start from that corner stitch and we will start making chain crochet stitches. We will make 20 chain crochet stitches. Once we are done with 20 chain crochet stitches, we will use back thread of the ear and make a slip stitch with it. So like our ears are standing, then they don't fall down. Okay, there we make a slip stitch. Then again we go on making chain crochet stitches as long as you want, how long you want the cord to be to hang your basket. Okay, make those many chain crochet stitches, and as we have joined this ear with the slip stitch, we have to join other ear also with the slip stitch, and after that make 20 chain crochet stitches and join it on the other corner, and a basket is ready, hanging basket. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment and share, and those who have not subscribed my channel, I will request you to please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, and those who have already subscribed, thank you so much, thanks a lot. Please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.